Hi, welcome all. This is Jagadish Chandran sharing the post market analysis. Nifty has been consolidating in the range between 19,200 to 19,580. Major supports placed around 19,300 to 19,200. As per open interest data, if Nifty trades above 19,540 convincingly, then we might head towards 19,600 to 19,700 levels. On the other hand, if Nifty breaks 19,300, we might head towards 19,200 to 19,000 zones. Two interesting chart setups that look bullish, NMDC and Bharat Forge, can be focused for swing trade. That's all for now. Thank you. If the video was useful, do like, share. If you have not subscribed our channel, Wealth Wizards, do subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification on our next video. Thank you. Happy investing. Take care.